Keep reeling.
Keep reeling.
Keep your eye on him. Keep reeling.
Go!
Yeah, have to turn left. I got it.
Giant
There
fish!
you go. You got him. He's coming, man. He's coming.
Keep going.
Here he goes. Come on, turn that crank.
You almost got him.
Okay, stop
Put him.
right there. Stop right there. Go ahead and pick this up. Pick this up. And walk back by your dad. Walk back by your dad.
Come back. Come back.
Hold him up there.
Now pull him towards Dave.
Okay, we're gonna get him. There he is. Oh yeah.
He is a cup.
That's the biggest one of the day.
Nice.
No.
Come on over here.
Get in the,
Whoa.
Get him in the picture.
jump in the video.
Hey, look.
Say yeah, got him.
You got that big one, huh?
Nice.
Yeah.